Okay, F4L, F4L. So what we have here is not a bad question actually. We just have to be very careful. These are all overheads. The question tells us that we have 2 profit centers and 3 cost centers, and what you can see over here are these centers. Here they are, the 2 profit centers and the 3 cost centers. So let's come back here. We just want to carefully, oops, sorry, let's just come back here and carefully walk through this. So we're told about depreciation, aviation fuel, some clear allocation of salaries to these 2 different profit centers. Then we have some rent and rates that we will split, and then we have some indirect labor costs. So you're just following carefully to make sure you get it right. So let's look at the depreciation of the aircraft. We can see clearly that the aircraft, these are the cost centers that have have aircrafts. So we are literally sharing this cost based on the ratio of these aircrafts, right? So of course, these together is 1800000. So it means that if I can, for what percentage of this cost scheduled services will take, we are talking about 1080000 over that times, of course, 36,400, and of course the other one would be 720,000 over 1.8 million times 36,400. So let's do that very quickly. Where has my calculator gone? Yes, here it is. Right. So very quickly, 1080 divided by 1800 times 36,400 is 21,840. Right. So 21,840, and minus 36,400. This is 14,560, and of course the total will be 36,400, and we've dealt with that, right? And this is the carrying value of aircraft. Then when we look at the next one, we have fuel. This will be based on miles, right? We have this cost of fuel, and whoever's had most miles, right, should take more of that cost. And it's only these 2 departments again. So again, split this cost of 42,200 by both of these divisions. So we have 215,600, 176,400. Add those together. 215,600 plus 176,400, and that's 392,000. So again, just take them as a proportion. So 215,600 over 392,000 times times, of course, the 42,200, and just do that twice. I mean, when I say do that twice, then do the 176,400 over 392,000 times 42,200. So let's do that very quickly. 215,600 divided by 392,000 times 42,200, which is 23,210. 23,210. And then, of course, the difference, of course, from 42,200, 18,990. 18,990. Now let's look at the other ones. We can see clearly it tells you that you have these salaries that will come directly. These are allocated because they're just directly for those departments. 5250, 5250, and then you have the other one, 4709, 4709. Then we have the rent and rates. We can see the figure here, 12,600. Let's just make that clearer. 12,600, and that 12,600 we're sharing it based on floor space, aren't we? So it's really this, isn't it? But I can see that this is the maintenance and repairs takes up half the space, doesn't it? That 190 looks like half of, but you can just do it. Just do 190 over 380, 114 over 380, and 76 over 380. Of course, multiply each of these, of course, at every single junction by the rent and rates cost, which is 12,600. Yes, 190 divided by 380 times times 12,600 means that this department gets 6,300. We do exactly the same thing. 114 divided by 380 times times the 12,600, and we get 3,780. 3,780, and then we finally get the 76 divided by 380 times, of course, the 12,600, and we get 2520. Yes, 2520. The indirect labor as well is very much an indirect allocation. Clearly, maintenance, fuel, and general administration. So we just chuck those in as well straight away. We're allocating 9,600, 3,200, and finally 7,800. Yes. And then just add these across, of course. I'll do those in a second. And now we're done actually. We are done. We just now need to go back into the story and read how we reapportion once we're done. But let's add these very quickly. I mean, the aviation fuel is, these ones are given to you. And when I say given to you, we know what they are. 42,200. And we also know what the total is of these flights. 9,959. And then with the rents, we know what the rents are. 12,600. And we know with indirect labor, we know that's 20,600. So we know what these are now, 20,600. These are all totals, of course. So now we need to add vertically, downwards. I'll use a different pen color. Let's go with green. So add down this way, and you should have your totals here of 21,840. 21,840 plus, so I'm adding down this way, plus 23,210 plus 5,250, which gives you 50,300. Here I add down again 14,560 plus 18,990 plus 4,709, and that's 38,259. And then finally we add downward 6,300 plus 9,600, and we have 15,900. Then we have 3,780 plus 3,200. We have 6,980. Then we have 2520 plus 7,800 is 10,320. Of course, you can add all this right across, but I won't bother too much with that. That's interesting. Okay, yes, so let's see what they want me to do first in terms of this splitting. So what do I know? I know I'm told to reapportion this way. Primary allocations, the support centers are reapportioned using the direct method. So the aircraft maintenance and repairs spends, so this, the maintenance is this department. Yes, okay, now I know. Spends 60% of its time maintaining the aircraft in the scheduled and the remainder in the charter. So I'm literally splitting this 60-40 between here and here. That's why it seems that, yeah. So this is all very direct, isn't it? So 60, this is direct one. 60. We've done where we were sharing, that where we had a bit of reciprocal work, didn't we? Minus 15900, 6360. 6360. That's that. And it seems that's what's happening here. 6980. Do that. And the question says that 55% of the issues from fuel and parts and scheduled, and charter 55-45. So 55% of that 6980, 3839. 3839 minus the 6980, 3141. And then finally we had the 10,320. It says this is done equally. General admin costs equally. So I'm splitting the 10,320 equally divided by 2. 5160. 10,320. Split it equally. 5160, 5160. And then we just add everything down together and we're there. Right? And we're there. So that's what's happening with that question. And that's question 29. Let me see. Well, actually, better to look at it this way. Question 30. Again, seems there is a strong similarity with what we're doing here. Right, so we have, yes, we have some information, and yes, this is exactly the same. So we will leave, I think I'll leave 30 for you to do, but it is literally, you can see the same process again, so you can definitely do this, but we will call it that we have done this, and this can definitely, what we've done so far will definitely replicate itself in question 30. Okay, great stuff.